In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and configure the Zoom integration. By the end, you'll have Zoom connected, your preferences dialed in, and everything saved so you're ready to go. Start by opening your account's integrations area. This is usually found in your main settings or dashboard. Once you're there, scroll down through the available integrations until you see Zoom. The list can be long, so take your time and look for the Zoom name or logo to make sure you've got the right one. When you find it, select Set Up. This opens the configuration window for the Zoom integration. Next, choose Connect to Zoom. This action begins the secure connection between your account and Zoom, allowing the two services to share the permissions they need to work together. A Zoom permissions page will appear. Click Allow to grant access. This is a standard authorization screen where Zoom asks for your approval so the integration can create or manage meetings and read basic settings. If you're prompted to sign in, simply follow the on-screen instructions and continue until you reach the Allow button. After you approve the connection, wait while it loads. Don't close the window or navigate away during this part. The system is establishing the connection and verifying the permissions behind the scenes. Depending on your network speed and Zoom's response time, this may take a few moments. Once the connection completes, review which services you plan to use in Zoom through this integration. For example, you might enable standard meetings, webinars, if your plan supports them, or other features made available by your setup. Select only what you actually use so your workflow stays clean and focused. Next, configure your Zoom settings. This is where you fine-tune how meetings are created and behave. Choose your default options like whether to automatically generate meeting links, enable waiting rooms, mute participants on entry, or sync the time zone used for scheduling. Make choices that match your typical meeting style and team preferences. If you collaborate across regions, double-check the time zone and language settings to avoid confusion later. When everything looks right, finish by clicking Save. This applies your selections and locks in the integration. Give it a moment to confirm the changes and you're done. That's the complete setup. Go to Integrations, find Zoom, select Setup, Connect, Allow Access, wait for it to load,